Hello everyone! As you could probably guess by the title, I am doing a recreating my middle school makeup look video. This is disgusting, this look, like this whole entire look. But I thought it would be interesting because I haven't done this look in a really long time, obviously. I've improved, I've learned new skills, so...
Hopefully I never go back to doing this kind of makeup.
Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I feel so weird asking you to like the video and comment and subscribe because this is literally the weirdest video, but do that. So yeah, without further ado, enjoy me transforming myself into a disgusting little 8th grade Tumblr girl, Hannah. Let's go. Okay guys, so I'm going to be starting out with a foundation shade that is way too dark for my skin, and I'm literally going to squirt this in my hand like this and go like this, like it's moisturizer, apparently. That's what I did in the video. And we're just gonna like go like this. Oh my gosh, this is so disgusting. It's not even that dark, it's just like the way that I apply it. Oh, also, in the video, I don't put foundation around my mouth. It's just like from here out. So we don't have any foundation like around the mouth. It's literally just like, we're putting moisturizer on, guys. So new way to apply foundation apparently is to do it like moisturizer, because that works. I don't think I even put it on my nose either. I have the video up, so.
We can see.
This is really bad. I'm looking in my mirror right now and it's actually terrible. So next is powder. I'm using this really old powder that I have that's like super orange, and I'm just gonna go like this and like
literally, like you can see powder flying out from it.
And I'm just gonna go like this. I hate this. I really do. I would never apply makeup like this ever. Apparently I did in 8th grade, so 8th grade Hannah had her way of doing things, and full face normal foundation was not one of them. So the next step, which is the one that I actually hate the most, is contour. So I'm using the Hoola bronzer that I actually use on a daily basis. I also used it in 8th grade, but the difference is now I actually know how to apply the Hoola bronzer. In 8th grade, I did not. I actually still have this brush to this day. This really old e.l.f., like really rough brush. It's not even like soft or anything. It's just like a really spiky, it's a powder brush. It says it's a powder brush, but I don't, yeah. So I'm gonna just like dip it in here. I guess that's what I did. And like, just like slather it on there, like really rough. Ooh, this is bad. This is really bad. And it wasn't even blended. And then I also did some on my forehead. So we just kind of have like this really nice orange contour, really pale in this area, and nothing around the mouth, and nothing like up here. So we love that. So the next thing that I did in the video was eyeshadow. I used my trusty, lovable Naked palette. Naked 2 palette, actually. I was very obsessed with this in 8th grade, and I loved this brush. That was one thing that I loved, was this brush. And I would use this little pointy
tip side thing
to like apply it and like blend it. And it didn't work because it wasn't blended. So in the video, I think I started out with this really light color. There's like nothing left because, like I said, I did this makeup every day, so I used most of it. So I literally like just went like this. This is really bad.
It's really bad.
The quickest eyeshadow look ever. Hello, welcome to my channel. 20-second eyeshadow. Then I took this dark shade right here. And no, I did not use the blending brush. I used the flat side of the brush. So I'm just gonna dip that in there. And we're just gonna do this. And just put it on the eye, not blended, Try to make it as dark as possible because I wanted it to be like a smoky eye, you know, even though I didn't know how to do eyeshadow. Oh my gosh, do you see this? Do you see this? I apologize to any subscribers who have been with me since 8th grade. I don't know what to tell you. This is just so bad. It's just really, really bad. And I'm disappointed in myself, honestly. 8th grade Hannah, you kind of suck. Sorry. Okay guys, so
the next step is eyeliner.
So we just kind of did this, and this is, keep in mind, the brand is Jordana, which is like a really cheap Walgreens brand. So I'm not even joking. Nothing even comes out. Like, I don't even know if you can see, like, my eyelid. There's nothing on it. This has no pigmentation whatsoever. Oh my gosh. I literally feel like I just like walked straight out of hell. If you enter the gates of hell, this is what all the beauty gurus look like who have died and went to hell. That's a really like dark thing to bring up, but honestly, I mean, it's how I feel. Okay guys, so of course we can't forget about mascara, right? Can't live without it.
Girl's best friend.
So I think in the video I used a little sample size of, I want to say it was probably something from Tarte or Benefit, but there was like no mascara left on the wand. So I was putting a dried up mascara wand on my eyelashes and nothing was coming out. So I was able to find this really old e.l.f. mascara that I have. There's like nothing on it, so we're just gonna do what I did in the video and see what happens. So I just like went like this, and I would like literally go like this, and like nothing would come out, and it would just be like, what's the point of even wearing mascara, because it doesn't really make a difference. Wow. What?
What?
I can't even look at myself right now. 8th grade Hannah loved using mascara when there was nothing left in it.
Love it.
So for the lips, in the video I used Baby Lips, which I clearly do not own anymore because I don't do that anymore. So I was able to find this really old Stila lip glaze. I did use this a lot in middle school. For some reason, region. The taste of it brings me back to middle school and I hate it. This is so bad. I kind of like feel it gooping. Like, I don't know if you guys can see the little strings when I like go like this. It tastes so bad. It tastes like candy, but like middle school candy. Thanks for watching.